My name is Anton Novikov. I'm working as financial analyst at Financial Market Consulting, and today I'm going to represent you the information about one of the company which stocks have been traded at the U.S. stock exchanges, especially NYSE. So this company known as Walmart. But first of all, I'd like to start from overviewing the current situation in the financial market around the world. Currently, we see the growth in the many key sectors, and especially in retail sales, where the companies report the increase in sales, and almost the increase is equal almost by 0.6% sales in the last months. So this increase is a very good and positive news, because it tells us that the companies are going to report good earnings, high earnings, due to this information. We may rely on it, as mostly the U.S. market is very important and one of the biggest markets in the world, and it is very important. It plays a vital role in earnings of the U.S. companies. And as if we look at their situation in the economy of the United States, we may find that most of the key sectors, the other sectors like manufacturing and commercial sector, service sector, they all show their growth, the growth numbers, which inform us about their state of their economy of the United States, and we may assume that due to these reports and numbers, the economy of the United States is growing, and due to their last information coming from their official U.S. authorities, their statistics tell us that their inflation in the United States is slowly climbing up, and it's good. These news are good because they show that the economy is expanding. So based on this news, we may assume that the stock market of the United States would go up as well, and the earning rappers, one of the biggest companies of the United States is IBM, shows us that their operations of the company are very good, and the company is operating very well, and it generates earnings, and these earnings are very high and positive, despite of the fact that we see the decline in the price of the IBM stock. But it's just the unlogic situation, and their numbers tell us that the economy, their IBM company is doing well, and as well relying on their numbers coming from their statistics related to their macroeconomic data of retail sales. We may assume that possibly the companies which are involved in retail, in sales and selling goods to public, as Walmart, they are going to report positive numbers in the earning reports as well, and the Walmart company is going to report its earnings on the 17th of November 2016. These numbers are going to include the sales which were in the last month, and the last month, as we know, was very good for retail sales, as it increased by almost 0.6%, as I already told you. So let's have a look at their company we are going to talk about further. So this is Walmart. Let's have a look at the Walmart price change. We see the positive dynamic from 2011 till 2014. The price increase in the shares increased in price by almost 55%, and then there was a decrease due to their negative numbers of earning reports, and then the increase again from 57. It was due to the increase of sales, and you'd like to know what the further increase would be, where the price would go. It would go up, but when and why? We see from the pictures on the screen from 2013 till 2020. The global e-commerce market has been growing, and the forecasts show us that this market, e-commerce, internet selling market, would keep on growing, and the average growth is equal almost 2.5% on annual basis. And there is another one important thing, is that the Asian and Pacific market is equal to almost $1 trillion. The turnover in this market is equal to $1 trillion. And this market, the e-commerce market, electronic commerce market, is going to grow according to forecasts. And the Walmart company is expanding its presence in Asian market and Pacific market, and by buying one of the biggest Indian online retailer. And this news is very important in terms of development of the Walmart business, and as well as the numbers related to the e-commerce market, which is growing. We may assume that possibly the prices of shares on Walmart company stocks are going to keep on growing, as well as based on the information coming from the official statistics of the United States of America, which tells us that the sales in September were very high, and they increased by almost 0.6%. We may assume that the earning report of Walmart company is going to be very positive, with increased earnings. Possibly there will be other news which are good, but based on this news, we may assume that Walmart is a very good investment based on the news which are already listed. So that's all for now. My name is Anton Novikov. I'm working as financial analyst at Financial Market Consulting. Thank you very much, and goodbye.